In this webinar, you'll discover not only marketing strategy and wisdom, but also countless practical ideas, tools, and techniques applicable to your business right now. This is for small business owners. If you want to cut through the noise to skyrocket your business and dive into the digital world like a pro, we bring you simple, actionable steps that leads to success. Join a free webinar, grow your business through digital marketing, and unlock the secrets to digital success. In just one 20-minute Power Pack session, we'll guide you through creating a stunning website that draws customers in, establishing a magnetic online presence, crafting content that captivates, and mastering social media to turn followers into loyal customers. Imagine your business booming as you connect with audiences far and wide, all with the tools and strategies we'll share. This isn't just another webinar. It's your ticket to transforming your digital marketing game and setting your business ablaze with growth and opportunities. Spaces are filling up fast, and trust us, you don't want to miss out. Register now for free and gear up for a ride to the top. Your business deserves to shine in the digital spotlight, and we're here to show you how. Let's make digital waves together. See you at the webinar.